All right, my friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. It's raining like crazy out there, and we're playing chess right here. So hopefully we got a little bit of luck, and we win a couple more games. I actually lost a game that was really really annoying. I won one that I guess I didn't press the record, and I won the last one that I just played as well. So again, I'm kind of like I'm pushing. I'm pushing. I'm trying to make this happen. I'm trying to win. This is the last game that I just played. It was a pretty decent game, and I enjoyed it very, very much. So we're gonna do one last one today here, and then it's time to go to sleep. But again, man, you got to get better. The only way you get better is by practicing, I guess, right? That's the best way to get better. If he doesn't take, I'm going to push forward. I like to do that, but he did took this time, right? So computer's lagging a little bit, so I got to be very, very careful. I don't want to, I don't want to make a mistake, right? Like put the piece in a place, and next thing you know, it was not the place that I wanted to. Just gonna bring my coin back. Sometimes it's just better, Next thing you know, what happens a lot of times when the queen is out on the first time is that people start attacking the queen, which makes sense. But then what happened is that you spend the whole time just like moving around, and the person spends the whole time developing their position. And to me, it's just one of those things that I'm like, you know what? I do want to develop some of my positions. So, all right, let's come up here. Let's see what happened. I think a lot of people playing this strategy right here. Hmm. Take some of my pieces out. Ready to battle. Ready to do it. Let's go. Uh oh. It's coming for me. Hmm. Let's see. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? He's gonna have to take. He's gonna have to take something. And no, he did not took. Hmm. Where am I going? I'm gonna go this way. Hmm. Man, this is getting. All right, let's see. Let's push forward. Let's just push forward, see what happens. Hmm. I don't know. I feel stuck. Feel like I don't have too many things to do. Come on, man. Give me something. Something. I want something. I tell you what, he has that king there very, very protected. It's pretty impressive. I don't want to do that. All right, let's see. Trying to make something happen, and that's what I get. Oh, come on. Man, this guy is getting me. This guy is getting me. I tell you what, this dude had his king so well protected. So well protected right there. He didn't even castle. And his king has been like untouchable. Like I haven't been able to touch it. That's pretty impressive if you ask me. All right, please, let's not play the game back and forward. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That king has been very, very well protected right there. Now he's coming for me. He realized that he wants another piece, so he's coming for me. I'm gonna try to do this just to see if I get him to move that king. And I lost it. Gosh. Oh man. Dear Lord. I don't know what to do no more. I just don't know. I just don't know, people. Oh wow. At this point, I'm about to resign already. But I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play into the end. I'm gonna hold it. Yeah, bro. You got your king really well protected right there. I'm gonna hold it into the end because you know what? I'm not a quitter. That's why. Because I'm not a quitter. I'm gonna hold it into the end and let's see what happens. Just give this away. I didn't even realize that. Dear, oh my god. I can't believe I did that. Look at that. I hang this bishop here too as well. Oh my gosh, I just can't even believe it. This has been bad. Hmm. Let's see. Really can trade too many. Can't trade anything. If I play here, it gives me check. I move. Okay. I'm gonna play to the end. I'm gonna play to the end, but I'm gonna tell you, this is bad. This is pretty bad. This guy has so many pieces. This guy have had his king untouchable, at least by me, by my level of expertise. Like this guy have done a really good job, and I haven't been able to do much. But maybe something changes. Maybe I do something. Let's try to come here and let's do a check. Well, isn't it nice that I could do something? I could fight too. I'm happy now. I took a piece. So I'm very happy now. He's probably upset. He's probably really mad. He's probably like, I've been kicking this dude's butt so bad, and he took a piece from me. He's probably really upset. I'm going to tell you this right now. That dude's so upset right now that I took a piece from him. But it's all good. It's all good. It happens, man. You know, you've been taking pieces from me all day long. Oh, so you want to trade now? Absolutely not. Let me see where I want to put this. So I was trying to do. No, sir. No, sir. We're not doing this, sir. No, we're not. Absolutely not. Why you want to take my queen now? It's the only thing I got. Let's see. I'm going to try to make it harder on you. And you're going to try to make it harder on me. Oh, gosh. Well, I'm done there. This is about to be done, people. But we're going to fight. We're just going to fight to the end because that's what we do. We fight into the end. Which is right there. All right. This was a great game. This was a great game. This guy that played, good job. You kicked my butt. It was a really, really good game. I appreciate you. So, anyway, stay tuned. Appreciate you guys watching. And as always, God is in control.